Hello and welcome to yet another fantastic episode of the Tudor build. Today we're going to fit some lights, check the interior, going to fit new wheel bearings in the front, and I'm going to adjust the brakes so they get better, and some other here and there things to do. We'll see. Yay!
Stay put.
So as you can see, I've already fitted the headlights. I forgot the camera, so I've done a few things without the camera. I just took the original and cut those off and welded ears to this one, and just bolted them in the bottom. So it's the original thingy for the lights, the original lights. This is quite funny. It's a braided and all black. Very easy to keep track of. So yeah, there's the headlights. I think I got them pretty good. Low and narrow. Not too narrow, but quite low. And even the rear light is there. I just put one in the middle of the car. I use the fastener for the spare wheel. So I have rear light and brake light. No indicators on this one yet. Soon, maybe. I will hide maybe indicator lights for safety under here. I'm too old to live too dangerously. So I'm going to check the interior. So here's what I found. A quite good but very dusty original interior. I hope the rest of the seats are this good. They are really good. So yeah, scissors and a knife, and we'll see what we can do with the interior. So yeah, this is the result of the pile of crap removal of the pile of crap. So yeah, this is the seats. They look really good. Dirty, but quite good, actually. Those are 90 years old, so yeah, what do you expect? Something have happened here. I have no idea why, but the rest of the seats, I mean, look. They look like they were never used. They look like they had the protective cover on from the beginning. Almost. I don't know. That's quite cool. The rear seat is still out there, so I'm gonna carry that outside and do them there. So yeah, those are the brand new seats for the Tudor Hot Rod. They are, as you can see, a bit dusty. So yeah, a good cleaning and they're good to go. So yeah, so yeah, I always start with so yeah, but I like that. So yeah, these are the rear seat bits. This is the back and this is the ass parking. They are quite dirty but look good. Small hole, some tear, I don't know. I have no clue where all this comes from. I think the mice have had a few parties in this car. But yeah, a good cleaning and they are quite good. They are not worse than anything else on the car, so yeah. I'm happily surprised. I had no idea this was underneath the upholstery, so I'm quite happy. I have far more important things to do, like changing the wheel bearings and fixing the brakes, but this was more fun. Probably fixing the brakes tomorrow. The day after tomorrow we are going to a huge hot rod meeting here in Sweden called Old Style Weekend. So yeah, I have one more day and that's tomorrow to fix the brakes and get the wheel bearings, the front wheel bearings good. This one, I think it's the right one that is really bad. I can feel that it's not rolling okay, so, and I hear it, so yeah. Lot to do tomorrow, Yeah. Let's see if we can get anything more done today. Clean these. The brush is big enough. Actually, I didn't have any smaller, so here I am. So let them dry and then vacuum clean them and call it good. So yeah, this is the rear seat ready to whee! Yeah, there is a dead mouse in here. Enough said. So gloves. Blah. And the dead mouse is there. Blah. So strange. This is good for my immunity against plague and other diseases. So the dead mouse is, and it's quite stiff. Okay. Thanks, pal. Good night. Bye. See you. I'm going to vacuum clean tomorrow and do the rest of it tomorrow. I'm hungry and I need a beer. So that's it for this episode. See you again. Bye. Whee! I'm going to vacuum clean and I'm going to